3, 2, 1.
Give it a little Scandinavian flick.
And guess what? It's gonna be worse. Yes, but we're gonna have this go. I think that's happening to my car right now.
I've only got about half the horsepower. We should have camped up here last night. Oh my god.
That'd be crazy.
There wouldn't really be that many midges here because there's no.
No, that's true. We might have to go back. On the road again.
Just brake. Can I just bump up against you and yet let your car slow me down?
I think your brakes are probably better than mine, so... No. Here, go back.
God, my wheels took a big hit there.
Something's come off one of our cars. So that's Applecross up there, it's tiny.
Mm-hmm.
So not the big,
That's it.
not the big city we were expecting, is it?
No.
It's nice around here though.
Oh my god, Michael, look at the sign.
Shop.
No, behind it. The sign, the T.
Tenants! 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 So both of our cars have made it, but I think we're taking a bit of a battering. Jamie's lost some trim from the front of this car.
Yeah, I wonder if your mud flaps will hold up.
I'm surprised they're all still on it at this point, to be honest.
Can I sit in your car? I want to see how uncomfortable it is.
You will not even fit. It's also the seats at its maximum height, and I can't put it down. It smells like damp.
A wee bit, yeah. Mine smells actually quite good in comparison.
It's because you got your infusion sticks.
Show the guys what. There he is. What a car this is, man. What a car. Oh, he's not hanging about, is he? He's away. Michael is away. Let's have a little bit of lunch. Not a lot on Applecross, to be honest. It's quite small. And we're now on our way. It is nearly 2:15. I think we're heading all the way up to like Lochinver or something now. The last like hour or so took about an hour to drive something 15 miles or something ridiculous. Some twisty roads, some really narrow single track roads. Yeah, so I can't remember exactly what the next stop is, but we've got it all plotted out in Google Maps, so we'll drive. I think we've got about an hour maybe. My front left wheel took quite a nasty hit in a pothole. We get a little bit of damage. My front grill, the bottom grill came off, and Michael then proceeded to run over it while reversing. Fuel-wise, I've still not filled up since Glasgow. I've got just under half a tank of fuel. That's going from Glasgow to Glencoe to Inverness to Applecross. All in all, it's about 250 miles. But yeah, apart from that, everything's good. And I'm just going to sit down and enjoy the drive. Oh my god! Nearly went into the back of a Fiesta there. Yeah.
Whoa, okay. That's one way of doing it. Yeah, the car's starting to sound a little bit worse for wear. But we are now 2 hours from our next big town, Lochinver. We want to be between Lochinver and Durness. So Durness is kind of the top western point, northwest point on the North Coast 500. Wow, some of these trees. All the trees look like they're from Jurassic Park around here. Okay. I think on the way we should be going past Ullapool, so we'll probably stop at Ullapool and pick up some dinner, maybe get some more stuff for a barbecue. So we're back on the road. We're making good progress today. Because it took so long to get across the mountain pass just before Applecross, we were really worried that, well, I say we, Jamie was really worried that we wouldn't be able to do the whole thing. But we've made good progress today and we've seen a lot. We've had a really good day so far. We saw some Highland cows. We've been on some really, really good roads. So between Applecross and here, it's been some amazing roads. And I think it's starting to take its toll on the car. I've got quite a loud knocking kind of rubbing sound from the front left. I don't know what that is. I'm going to try not to worry about it. Oh, there's a ceilidh. So there's a ceilidh on the Wednesday. That'd be fun. Didn't bring my kilt though. Well, my car and Jamie's car have both been the perfect cars for the job, for this road, on this holiday. My car especially, you know, it's not great, it's not that fast, it's not that refined, it's not that comfortable, it's not that reliable, but it's very cheap. If I was to crash into one of these ditches and we can't get the car out, or if my car catastrophically breaks down, the worst case scenario is I've lost that £500, or I have to pay for someone to tow it away, or whatever. If it's a write-off, I lose my money. But that's not a lot of money to lose. Not in the grand scheme of things. Not for the experience that we're having on this holiday. I was seeing all these like fancy cars, lots of BMWs. I even saw a Nissan GTR. And there's no point, because you constantly have to pull over into passing places, because it's normally just a single track road. So you normally get up to about 30 or 40 in this kind of car. And then you stop. And you get up to 30, 40, and then you stop. This car in particular, I'm basically driving flat out all the time, and it's really fun. And I think if you're in like a BMW, like a sporty BMW or a Nissan GTR, it would be interesting, but it won't be fun. Not in the same way as this is. And that's why we've got the two best cars for this trip. We've just stopped at the side of the road again. Look at this. Look at this. It's the first sticker of many.
Near Drumbrek.
Near Drumbeg.
Drumbeg.
So we did the barbecue next to, literally,
Next to the
like
worst probably puddle you could have been next to.
like a cesspool of mosquitoes or midges.
You can't be wonder down here, Michael.
Yeah, let's have a wee wander.
It's really cold. This is like Pride Rock. Lion King.
It's like Lion King, isn't it?
Oh. Yeah, mate.
Just checking the flames are still intact.
Flames are still flaming.
They're still hot. Bloody hell.
That sign to be.
Yeah, what's up with that sign? It's like,
It's a muddy looking sign in general. It's not the most clearest of signs, is it?
no, dirty. Like your face. In the car as we drive through these twisties until we find our next accommodation. Cool. Cool.
Let's go then. Let's hit the road, Jack.